Spirit level. The spirit level is an instrument used to test the level of a surface. A spirit level can be used to check the level of brick walls, toilet pan, P-trap, water drains, horizontal and vertical pipes. At the end of this session, you will be able to use spirit level. The main parts of a spirit level are the body and the glass tube containing spirit and an air bubble. The sealed glass tube is filled with alcohol. An air bubble can be seen inside this. As the air bubble always rises to the top, we will be able to see which side of the surface is higher. When the bubble is between the two marks, it means that the surface you are checking is perfectly horizontal. There are 3 leveling sides in the spirit level. The horizontal side is used to check the level of horizontal surfaces. The vertical side is used to check vertical surfaces. And the angular side is used to check angles. Now, let us learn how to use the spirit level. While checking a vertical surface, place the flat edge of the level on the surface. Make sure that the glass tube is perpendicular to the surface. Placing the edge of the level against the upright object, adjust the object until the bubble is exactly at the center of the 2 marks. While checking a horizontal surface, the flat edge of the level should be placed on the surface you wish to check. The glass tube should be parallel to the surface. Now remove your hand from the level and see where the air bubble in the tube is. The position of the bubble will indicate whether the surface is level or sloping and the direction of the slope. If the bubble stops above the 2 lines, then the surface is sloping up towards that side and should be raised at the other end. The surface should be tilted and adjusted in both directions until the bubble comes to rest exactly between the 2 lines on the glass tube, indicating that the surface is perfectly level. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to use spirit level.